po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Mister of Filipinas Worldwide Batangas 2024 candidates are set to compete for the title that will allow the winners to represent Batangas in the upcoming Mr. Filipinas Worldwide pageant. These young men will showcase their talents, charisma, and advocacies, aiming to make an impact on both the national and international stage. Ivan Mendoza, representing Lipas City, stands out with his confident demeanor and a passion for social advocacy. As a fitness enthusiast, he embodies a healthy lifestyle and promotes mental well-being. Ivan is an advocate for youth empowerment and believes in fostering leadership skills among young people. With a background in marketing, he has a natural flair for communication and public speaking, making him a compelling candidate, and his charming personality and genuine commitment to social causes are his greatest strengths. And he hopes to use his platform to inspire others and bring positive change to his community and beyond.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!